Are you stuck competing for the attention of the most incredible girls? Wondering how some guys effortlessly attract them, even if you feel stuck in the same place? I understand the frustration and the feeling of missing out on exciting experiences that come with meaningful connections in your life. Many times, it may seem like blaming others is the solution, right? But let me challenge you to think differently. There's much more at stake than just letting things take their course. Imagine this. What if improving yourself was the key to attracting any girl you desire? If that were the case, why stick with the same defeated and resigned mindset? There's something more at play, something deeper than just seeking encounters. And that's precisely what you're going to discover in this video. Because yes, there are strategies that can help you improve your dating game, make you more attractive. But let me tell you something else. It's not just about winning in the dating game. It's about building a fulfilling and meaningful life. And you know what? It all starts with the power to improve yourself. In this video, we will explore how you can transform your love life and much more. So if you're ready to discover how to stop struggling and start thriving, stay tuned, because this is the beginning of a transformation that will completely change your perception. But wait, if you decide to stay until the end of this video, a revelation awaits you that will elevate your confidence to an unexpected level, something that will provide clarity in the search for love. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1, high energy. Women are attracted to confident and energetic men. They crave a man who radiates confidence and exudes energy. When I say this, I don't mean acting like a clown or behaving foolishly. Think of the alpha gorilla that attracts all the females. Gorillas live in groups of males and females, yet the dominant silverback is the only one with full access to all the females. Why? Because the silverback is a powerful leader full of energy and strength. If challenged by a younger male or even an outsider, the silverback will scream, pound his chest, show his teeth, and then charge forward. Despite their power, they can be incredibly gentle and often serve as mentors to the young, teaching them what foods to eat and how to make their sleeping nests. They will also teach young males to fight and even act as playmates for excited infants. I must be very clear, there are alphas among us, humans, and they always have more energy than beta males. This is a crucial part of thriving as a man, and you won't hear many people talk about it. You already have a lot of energy within you, but the modern world cleverly absorbs it. Many of the pills doctors prescribe take away people's energy. Consuming online sexual content also drains massive amounts of energy from you. Instead of falling into these modern traps, you can increase your energy for free by exercising, getting sunlight, and sleeping well. Competition is also healthy as it boosts your testosterone. Nowadays, you'll see people shaming competitive guys and trying to eliminate competition by handing out participation trophies. Be aware of things that give you energy but also those that take it away. There are many dirty traps that drain your energy, but we'll discuss them in another video. But there's something else you need to know about keeping your energy and potential high. These dirty traps that drain your energy. But here comes the real secret to becoming an irresistible force. There's a crucial aspect we haven't addressed yet, a piece of the puzzle that can make the difference between being charismatic and simply forgettable. Number 2, Project Charisma. The charismatic person radiates a combination of charm and power that is irresistible to those around him, especially to women, who find him a magnetic and fascinating figure. Charisma is not a gift exclusive to a fortunate few but a quality that anyone can develop with practice and awareness. Being charismatic involves much more than just speaking. It's about actively listening, showing interest in others, and communicating not only with words but also with gestures and expressions. Maintaining eye contact, smiling sincerely, and demonstrating empathy are key skills for projecting charisma. It's not just about what you say but also how you say it. Every word should be chosen carefully, conveying confidence and self-assurance. You don't need to be arrogant to be charismatic, but you shouldn't underestimate yourself either. Acknowledge your worth and act accordingly. Mystery is another important component of charisma. Don't reveal too much about yourself immediately. Instead, keep others intrigued and wanting to know more about you. Confidence in yourself and your abilities is also crucial. Act with the certainty that you can achieve great things, and others will be drawn to your determination and confidence. Lastly, remember that you can't please everyone, nor should you try. Being authentic and true to yourself is much more attractive than trying to please everyone. Don't be afraid to be controversial or disagree. The respect you'll earn by staying true to your convictions will be much more valuable than superficial approval from others. Want to make a memorable impression from the first moment? Smell good and dress well. But how do you really achieve it? Keep watching to discover the secrets to mastering your personal grooming and leaving an indelible mark in every encounter. Number 3. Take care of your appearance. Although we are told not to judge a book by its cover, the reality is that first impressions are important, especially when it comes to capturing the interest of women. The way you smell and dress can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Personal hygiene is crucial. Make sure to shower daily and use body care products that make you feel fresh and clean. Don't underestimate the power of good oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth and scraping your tongue will help prevent the dreaded bad breath, which can be a real turn-off in any interaction. In addition to taking care of your hygiene, pay attention to your physical appearance. This includes keeping your hair and facial hair well groomed. Find a beard style that suits you, and if necessary, consider options like shaving your head if you're losing hair. Remember that personal care is not just about looking good but also about feeling confident and comfortable with yourself. Choose your fragrance carefully. A good cologne can complement your style and leave a lasting impression. But remember, less is more. You don't want to overwhelm anyone with a too strong scent. As for clothing, find a style that reflects your personality and suits your body. It's not just about following the latest trends but about feeling authentic and confident in what you wear. Invest time in discovering which clothes make you feel better and more confident. Remember that your appearance matters not only in your social interactions but also in your professional life. Dressing appropriately for different occasions can make the difference between being taken seriously or being overlooked. And before you go, I have a special invitation for you. Get ready for the next video, where I'll unveil psychological tricks to captivate any woman. Join this exclusive group and be part of the evolution. If this content has been helpful to you, show it with a like and subscribe. See you soon, Supreme.